Little Miss Birdie is so excited to see her new CDC book that she got for free. This book is so cute. The title is called Where is Bear? A terrific tale for 2-year-olds. Let's dive right in. What do we see here? We see a little tiger cub covering his eyes. And the milestones is indicated by a little leaf symbol. Here, parents look for the leaf symbol to learn important developmental milestones in your child by the age of 2. Here on page 2, you see a little bear and a little tiger, and they're 2 years old, and they're friends. Little bear is on the left, and little tiger cub is on the right side. And parents use the little symbol where you see the little leaf to indicate the different milestones. So here, your little one should follow simple instructions like cover your eyes, touch your nose, find your belly. This little cub is playing the game hide and seek. Where is Bear? Do you want to play? Cover your eyes while Bear hides. So the little cub is looking all over to see where little Bear is. Here the milestone is try to name things in the picture book. So we look at this book. What is this over here? Is it a tree? What's on the tree? Some green leaves. And what's on the ground? Oh, the grass, and we can see little flowers. Knock, knock. Let's ask Bird if she sees Bear. So where do you think little Bear is? Is he in the tree? Is he behind the rocks? I can't find the little bear. Can you find the little bear? The little milestone is, by the age of 2, most children copy others, especially adults and other children. They should be able to follow 2-step instructions. Look here. Touch your nose. Sit down. Stand up. So those are examples of 2-step instructions that you can share with your little one. So back to the story. Let's ask the frog. Have you seen Bear? Where is Bear? Is he in the pond? No, but I will help you find him. Bird, look how high the frog can jump. The milestone here is that by the age of 18 months, most children point to show others something interesting. Other milestones are they run and begin to play with other children. Back to the story, what do you see? We see a red fox here, so let's ask the fox if she sees Bear. Fox lives in a cave. Fox likes to run. Can you run like Fox? Where is Bear? Is he in the cave? Asked Tiger. No, but I will help you find him. So what other animals do we see here? We see a bluebird, a green frog, a red fox, and an orange tiger. Let's ask the turtle if he sees Bear. So the milestone here is to try to copy you, like pretending to blow the leaves, mopping the floor, washing the dishes, cooking. Those are examples that your little one will try to copy you. Where is Bear? Is he in the leaf? Asked Tiger. No, Turtle says, but I will help you find him. Do you know where Bear is, little one? Can you find where the bear is? Do you see? We have the blue bird, the red fox, the green turtle, and the green fox. So where is Bear? Can you find the bear? Look all over the page. Can you see? Can you shout it out? Yes, we found him. He's up there. We found him up in the tree. Hooray! Do you want to play again? So the milestone here is your child should be able to point to different animals or images on the picture book and to make the reading a very interactive activity. And in the back of the book, you see the developmental milestone for the terrific 2-year-old that covers social emotional milestones, language communication milestones, cognitive milestones, movement and physical development milestones. And if your little one isn't quite meeting all these milestones, you feel free to talk with your pediatrician and reach out to all these great resources here that's available to you. This book series is from the CDC, and as you can see here, there's so much resource that you can gather and call and talk. And, all our little ones develop at different stages, so they may be a little delayed, but they may catch up. But if you're a bit worried, no worries, Mama or Papa's out there. There's so much good resources out there. So download the CDC Milestone app to track the milestones, and also check out the other books and checklists on milestones. And I hope you enjoy Where is Bear? A terrific tale for 2 years old.